Hello friends, in our last section we solved question 18 of SOM series. Today we will solve question 19 of SOM series. This is question 19 of chapter 21, that is area and arc length of SOM series. This is very useful for different competitive exams. This question is based on arc length. So make sure that you have watched my video on how to find arc length before watching this video. So let's start. So question 19 is, we are given y is equal to x raised to 2 by 3 and x is from x is equal to 1 to x is equal to 8. We have to find the arc length. Formula of arc length is equal to, arc length is equal to L, then L is equal to integration from A to B under root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square. This is formula of arc length into dx. We have to integrate this with respect to dx. So we are given y is equal to x raised to 2 by 3. Y is equal to x raised to 2 by 3. So let's first integrate this term with respect to dx. So dy by dx is equal to, this power will come ahead, into x raised to 2 by 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2 by 3 into x raised to, it will be minus 1 by 3. So now let's square this term. So we get dy by dx whole square is equal to 2 by 3 into x raised to minus 1 by 3 whole square, that is equal to 4 by 9 x raised to minus 2 by 3. Now let's add 1. So 1 plus dy by dx whole square is equal to 1 plus 4 upon, it's negative power, so we can take this down. So we can write 9x raised to 2 by 3. So now let's take this up. So that is equal to 9 x raised to 2 by 3 plus 4 upon 9 x raised to 2 by 3. Now we have to take its root. So now L is equal to integration from, we are given x is from x is equal to 1 to x is equal to 8. So this is 1, 8 into under root of 1. We have done 1 plus dy by dx whole square we have done, so we can directly put this term. So 9x raised to 2 by 3 plus 4 upon 9x raised to 2 by 3, its whole root. So that is equal to, we can take 3 common, this 3 outside. So 1 by 3 integration from 1 to 8 under root of 9x raised to 2 by 3 plus 4 upon, if we, now what will be this term, x raised to 2 by 3 and its root. So it will be, this will be x raised to 1 by 3. So we got 1 by 3 integration from 1 to 8 under root of 9x raised to 2 by 3 plus 4 upon x raised to 1 by 3. Now to solve this, let's assume the numerator as t. So that is equal to 1. Let 9x raised to 2 by 3 plus 4 is equal to t. So when we derivate this term, so we get 9 into 2 by 3 x raised to, this similar like this, so it will be x raised to minus 1 by 3. This derivative of 4 will be 0 into dx is equal to dt. So what we got here, we got here 2 into 3, it will be 6 dx upon x raised to 1 by 3 is equal to dt. 6 into dx upon x raised to 1 by 3 is equal to dt. Now L is equal to integration from, now we have substituted this term. So when we will put x is equal to 1, we will get 1 into 9, 9 plus 4, 13. Limit will also change. And we will put 8, so we will get 8. 9 into 8 raised to 2 by 3 plus 4. We note that cube root of 8 is 2. So 2 square, 4. 4 into 9, 9 for the 36. 36 plus 4, so it will be 40. So its limit are from 13 to 40. Now substitute this. We have assumed this t, so it will be t, and dx upon x raised to 1 by 3 is equal to dt by 6 we can write, and it was already 1 by 3 earlier. So that is equal to L is equal to 6 into 3, 1 upon 18, and integration of root t with respect to dt will be t raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2, and its limit are from 13 to 40. That is equal to, now when we divide this by 2, we get it 9. 9 into 3, 27. 1 upon 27 into 40 raised to 3 by 2 upper limit minus lower limit, 13 raised to 3 by 2. That is equal to 1 upon 27 into, now let's solving this. When we take this, so when we take 4 outside, so we get root of 4, 2, 2 cube 8. 8 into 10 raised to 3 by 2 minus, when we take root 13 cube, 13 into root 13, that is equal to 1 upon 27, and 10 cube will be 1000. So 10's 100 into 10. So we can take root of 100 is equal to 10. So that is equal to 10 into 8, 80 root 10 minus 13 root 10. So this is our answer. I hope you understood this question. If you have any doubt, then let me know in the comment section given below. If you really like, then please do like and subscribe to my channel. Also press the notification bell to get the latest video. Thank you.